Today we're getting ready to go on the lower Gunnison River, and we're gonna go down and camp in Dominguez Canyon for a couple days.
Keep them safe as they're on the river. Keep them safe when they're camping. Give them a good time and let there be no arguing or fighting. But just
tonight, I'm having the time of my life, my life. Above the diamonds in the sky, below my feet is gold, and I'm never gonna leave this place. Never wanna leave this place. Like a scene from a different life, like a dream that will never die. I never wanna leave this place. Never gonna leave this place. Tonight, I'm having the time of my life, my life. Oh, shoot! I'm having the time of my life, my life. Come alive in this atmosphere. You can be who you are in here. We're never gonna leave this place. Never wanna leave this place. We don't ever have to leave this town. We don't ever have to come back down. We never wanna leave this place. Never gonna leave this place.
It's so windy that we're just going backwards.
See, the water's supposed to be going that way, but it's going that way.
At this point, we're not here to camp, we're here to survive. Here we are, day 2 in the 2020 canoe trip. Yesterday was our first plane to go all 13 miles to Dominguez Canyon. The wind really picked up and we had to camp here because it was blowing us back.
All of a sudden, the wind picked up. It was like a hurricane, and we had to stop. We had to pull over on this poor guy's land. They got the horses over here and his cattle and everything. We started walking around. There's dead cows everywhere, and then all of a sudden, the lightning started, and it scared us. So we had to get in our tents because we were all freaked out.
Today we're gonna pack up and go the rest of the way to Dominguez Canyon. Hopefully we'll make it. Yeah. Hola.
Lunch break, and then after our lunch break, we head the rest of the way to the campsite. Have fun. It's a good day. Nice, Jim.
Today we got back onto the water and
canoed the rest of the way to Dominius Canyon. We went down some awesome rapids and had a great time.
On the way to our campsite, there was a big, huge rapid. There was like a 5-foot drop, and there were huge rocks everywhere. It was so freaky. We got stuck right in the middle, and it was freaky. My dad had to jump out of the boat and push us off. And then here comes my uncle and my cousin coming down backwards. But we were all right, and we ended up having a good day at the swimming hole.
Oh, shoot!